Hello and welcome to Paddler's video documentation. Today I will show you how to swap models. Paddler lets you swap models dynamically without the need to restart the balancer or the agents. And you can download models from Hugging Face or provide a local file path. And you have an option to swap models through the web admin panel or the API. So let's check the web admin panel first. And right now my agent is using one of the Qwen models. Let's say that I would like to change that to a fee4 model instead. So I will go to Hugging Face, search for the model I want to use, go to the models page, to the files and versions, and here I need to select the specific file I want to use, for example this one. I right-click the name so that I can copy the link address, go back to Paddler to the model section, paste the link, apply changes, and I can see that my agent is now using the fee4 model. And I can test if this setup still works in the prompt section. And I can see the inference still works. Another way to swap models is through the API by changing the balancer's desired state. And I can test this locally with an API client like Bruno. So I have my request already prepared. This is the put request to change the balancer desired state. And the important part is here. So let's say that I still want to use models from Hugging Face and I want to go back to the Qwen model. What I need to provide is the file name, the repo ID, and the revision. So I can send this request. I got the 204 no content. And now I can go back to Paddler to the dashboard section, and here I can see that my agent is using the Qwen model again. And the final thing I want to show is what happens when I need to wait for the model to finish downloading. So far the models I was using were already in my cache, so I didn't need to wait. So let's use something different. I will go back to the fee4 model, but I will use a different file, for example this one. And again, copy the link address, go to Paddler to the model section, paste the link, apply the changes, and I can see that this model is now being downloaded. However, the agent is still using the Qwen model. I can see that here, and I can also test that the inference works in the prompt section. And this is all for today. If you want to learn more, go to our documentation at paddlerintent.com or to our GitHub. And if you want to receive similar updates, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.